Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating journey of Stefan Parsons, a rising star in the world of motorsports. Whether you're a diehard racing fan or new to the sport, you'll enjoy learning about his career and his achievements. Stefan Parsons is an American professional stock car racing driver, currently competing in the NASCAR Xfinity Series. He was born on January 9, 1998 in the United States. With a passion for racing running through his veins, Stefan is part of a family deeply embedded in the motorsports world. His father, Phil Parsons, is a former NASCAR driver, and his uncle, Benny Parsons, was a legendary driver and commentator. Stefan's journey into racing began at a young age. Like many drivers, he started in go-kart racing, honing his skills and developing a love for the sport. From there, he transitioned into various series, steadily building his experience. His perseverance paid off when he made his NASCAR Xfinity Series debut in 2019, driving for JD Motorsports. It was a significant milestone, and Stefan showed the world that he was ready for the challenge. One thing that sets Stefan apart from many other drivers is his relentless work ethic and ability to stay calm under pressure. In NASCAR, especially in the Xfinity Series, every race is a battle, and Stefan quickly proved he could hold his own on the track. Over the years, he's driven for several teams, including DGM Racing and other organizations, each time gaining more valuable experience. Throughout his career, Stefan has also participated in a variety of racing events outside of NASCAR, including the ARCA Menards Series, where he got his first major taste of competitive stock car racing. His experience in these events helped him develop a deep understanding of car setups and race strategies. But what really stands out about Stefan Parsons is his attitude. Despite being young, Stefan approaches racing with maturity beyond his years. He knows that the road to success is full of challenges, but he embraces those obstacles as opportunities to grow. Whether it's working with his team to improve his car or learning from each race, Stefan's dedication to improvement is evident. Off the track, Stefan is known for his positive attitude and strong sense of responsibility. He often engages with fans and takes time to promote the sport to new audiences, helping to inspire the next generation of drivers. So, what's next for Stefan Parsons? While it's hard to predict exactly what the future holds, one thing is clear: Stefan is a driver to watch. With his growing experience, strong family legacy, and determination to succeed, he's poised for even greater achievements in NASCAR and beyond. And that wraps up our overview of Stefan Parsons, a talented young driver who's making waves in the world of stock car racing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more motorsport content. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts on Stefan's career and where you think he'll go next.